Ever wondered why certain compliments make women weak in the knees? What if I told you that there are compliments that, when given the right way, could leave a lasting impression that goes beyond just words? You may be shocked to learn that the right compliment can make a woman feel not just flattered but also deeply attracted to you. So, how do you stand out from the crowd? Let's dive into it. As we age, our interactions with people, especially in the dating world, can shift. Seniors often feel unsure about how to connect or what words are still appropriate when complimenting someone. The truth is, compliments can be a powerful tool to break the ice and build connection, but only if done correctly. So, what are the compliments that truly make women feel special and captivated, especially as they get older? In this video, you'll discover the top 3 compliments that aren't just flattering but have the power to make a woman melt. By the end, you'll know exactly what words can work magic in the most surprising ways. Don't skip any of these points. Missing them might mean losing out on the chance to make a memorable impression. Forbidden compliment 1. Complimenting her confidence. Complimenting a woman's confidence is one of the most powerful ways to make a meaningful impact, especially as she matures. Confidence isn't just about how someone appears to the world, it's about how they carry themselves, their belief in their abilities, and their self-acceptance. For many women, this trait becomes even more pronounced as they age. With years of experience, they tend to become more comfortable in their own skin, more secure in their choices, and more at peace with their imperfections. A compliment that acknowledges this inner strength, such as, "I love how confident you are in everything you do, it's truly magnetic," highlights a quality that many women work hard to cultivate. It's a recognition of their personal growth and self-assurance, which can be deeply validating. From a psychological perspective, confidence is directly linked to a sense of self-worth and well-being. Research published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology has shown that confidence is one of the key traits that people find most attractive in others. When we feel good about ourselves, we naturally radiate positive energy, which makes us more appealing to others. This is especially true for women as they get older, when they have spent years navigating challenges and evolving emotionally. The feeling of being seen and acknowledged for these internal qualities is incredibly powerful. Consider the story of Clara, a 62-year-old woman who had always been self-conscious about her appearance but, over time, had become more confident about who she was, both inside and out. During a casual conversation with a friend, he commented, "I admire how confident you are in your own skin. It's inspiring." Clara was taken aback. This was the first time someone had recognized her confidence rather than her looks. His words not only made her smile but also gave her a deeper appreciation for how far she had come. It was a compliment that validated her growth and helped her embrace the changes that come with age, rather than shy away from them. Complimenting a woman's confidence isn't just about acknowledging her appearance, it's about seeing her as a whole person. It's about respecting her strength, resilience, and self-assurance, which are qualities that make her truly captivating. Forbidden compliment 2. Complimenting her intelligence. Complimenting a woman's intelligence is a powerful way to make her feel respected and admired, especially as she ages. As women grow older, they often accumulate a wealth of knowledge and experience that shapes their perspectives on life, relationships, and the world around them. When someone acknowledges her intellect, it not only validates the hours of learning and reflection she's invested throughout her life but also reinforces that her thoughts and ideas hold value. Compliments such as, "You have such a sharp mind, I could listen to your insights all day," or, "Your perspective on this topic is always so refreshing," don't just acknowledge her intelligence, they elevate her, making her feel seen and appreciated for her mental capacity, not just her appearance. Psychologically, feeling recognized for one's intellect contributes significantly to self-esteem. Research published in the Journal of Applied Social Psychology reveals that individuals who are appreciated for their intellectual capabilities tend to feel more confident in their abilities and more comfortable engaging in deeper, meaningful conversations. This is especially true for older women, who may feel overlooked or stereotyped as their appearance changes. Complimenting their intelligence shows that you value their contributions to conversations and that you see them as more than just their looks. Take the example of Margaret, a 68-year-old retired teacher who spent her life nurturing young minds. As she grew older, she sometimes felt invisible in social situations, especially when people focused more on her age or appearance than her experiences. One day, during a gathering, a colleague remarked, "Your take on history is always so enlightening. I learn something new every time we talk." This compliment didn't just make Margaret feel proud, it reminded her that her knowledge and experiences were still relevant and impactful. She felt valued not for her age or appearance but for her wisdom, which reignited her confidence and passion for sharing her knowledge. Complimenting a woman on her intelligence is more than just flattery, it acknowledges the depth of her experiences and highlights her unique perspective. It lets her know that you value her mind, which can make her feel more connected to you and more secure in her own self-worth. Forbidden compliment. 3. Complimenting her uniqueness. Complimenting a woman's uniqueness is one of the most profound ways to make her feel valued, especially as she matures. As people age, they become more comfortable embracing their individuality, including their quirks, passions, and life experiences. Women, in particular, often go through a journey of self-discovery and self-acceptance, shedding societal pressures and learning to love themselves for who they truly are. Compliments that recognize and celebrate a woman's individuality, such as, "There's no one quite like you," "Your unique charm is irresistible," or, "You have a perspective that's all your own, and it's refreshing to be around," go beyond superficial praise and make her feel seen in a way that taps into her deepest self. Scientific research supports the idea that being acknowledged for one's individuality can significantly boost a person's self-esteem. According to a study published in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships, people who feel appreciated for their uniqueness are more likely to feel emotionally fulfilled and secure in their relationships. This is especially relevant as women grow older and gain a clearer sense of their identity, having navigated life's challenges, roles, and transitions. Complimenting her uniqueness not only honors her as a person but also helps create a deeper emotional connection. Take the story of Linda, a 63-year-old artist who had spent years developing her unique painting style. While her friends and family admired her work, she sometimes felt like it wasn't truly understood or appreciated. Then, one afternoon, a fellow artist said to her, "Your work is unlike anything I've ever seen. There's a depth and originality to it that's all your own." Linda's heart swelled with pride. That compliment didn't just acknowledge her talent, it recognized the essence of who she was as an artist and as a person. She realized that her individuality was something others not only noticed but also admired. Complimenting a woman's uniqueness goes beyond the surface level. It recognizes her individuality, her life's journey, and the qualities that make her who she is. By acknowledging these aspects, you help her feel seen and appreciated for her true self, fostering a connection that's based on mutual respect and admiration. Compliments, when done right, are more than just nice words, they're tools that can foster genuine connections and admiration. As we age, it becomes even more important to connect with others in ways that resonate deeply. By complimenting women on their confidence, intelligence, and uniqueness, you're acknowledging the richness of their lives and the experiences that make them who they are. These compliments can make a woman feel cherished, respected, and incredibly drawn to you. So, the next time you meet someone who's captured your attention, remember these powerful compliments. They're more than words, they're keys to opening a door to a deeper connection. Want to learn more about the art of compliments and how to truly connect with others? Watch the full video, and don't skip any of the points. Missing these tips might mean missing out on some great connections. Share this video with a friend who might need a little reminder of how powerful a well-placed compliment can be. Remember, it's not about the words you say, but how they make someone feel. Turn compliments into a connection, and watch the magic unfold.